Hi, my name is Ashish and this is yet another video for Azure Vnets. In this video, we will see how you can connect Azure Vnets with virtual network peering. And regarding that website, discusscloudcomputing.com, I am also adding a forum kind of a thing onto that website so that we all can discuss our queries regarding Azure and cloud computing or any other cloud as well, AWS, IBM Cloud, Google Cloud Platform, or how you migrate from on-premise to Azure. So you are all welcome to share your questions, make your profiles on my forum for discusscloudcomputing.com. I'll let you know when this forum would be up and running. So I will quickly log on to Azure portal and show you how you can connect Azure Vnets with virtual network pairing. Sounds interesting to me. I don't know about you. I'm at the portal now. Remember, I created one virtual network as Azure Vnet, and today we will create another Vnet, Azure Vnet A. That is Azure Vnet. This is Azure Vnet A. Let's go with this address space, pay as you go. Let me do it within the same resource group. Central India, default, basic, disabled, and create. Deployment is in progress. I'll be back when it's done. My virtual network is created, Azure Vnet A. So if you go to all resources, you see my virtual network. This is Azure Vnet. Okay, under the settings, if you will go down, you see this option pairings. Go to this pairing option, click on add. Okay, you set the name Azure Vnet to Azure Vnet A. Okay, I'm doing it on okay. It's resource manager. I know my resource ID, subscription virtual network with which you will connect, right? And it cannot pair it with itself. So it would be pairing with this. Enable, forwarded traffic, gateway transit. Okay. It says adding virtual network pairing. Done. So as we all know, there is a glitch in the portal. Sometimes it shows up the results here. If it doesn't, you have to refresh the window. I hope you'll see the status now. Initiate it. Okay. Great. So I was on Azure Vnet. Now I'll go to Azure Vnet A. Okay. A. Same option, pairing. Now I'll pair it with Azure Vnet because I did with Azure Vnet to Azure Vnet A. Now it would be Azure Vnet A to Azure Vnet. Resource Manager will give me an option to do with Azure Vnet. I'll select the same option. You can read more about them. Forwarder, gateway, the basic stuff. Again, I think we'll have to refresh the window to see the status. Done. It doesn't show up. Refresh. Connected. Okay, so now both of these networks, Azure VNet and Azure VNet A, are connected. Now, if you make virtual machines in both of these networks, let's say you have one virtual machine in Azure VNet, one virtual machine in Azure VNet A, you'll be able to RDP, you will be able to ping, you'll be able to access the resources on both of these virtual machines and vice versa, from one to another, from A to B and from B to A, because we have paired these networks. So there is a direct communication between these two VNets because we have done the pairing. So I hope this was informative to all of you. Try and do this lab at your end. You will get more information about this. Have any questions, please mention in the comment section. If you have done something new in virtual networks, also do not forget to mention that. And main point, do not forget to subscribe to this channel, and do not forget to hit the bell icon, and do not you dare not forget to share this video on every social media platform. Thank you. Till next time, you have a great day ahead. Bye.